Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading. This reading will be what is the future of this connection. Okay, so you have some connection with specific someone. That person might be your crush, lover, husband, wife, boyfriend, girlfriend. It can be anybody. So you want to know what will be the future of this connection. Maybe you want to know like will I get married to the same person or not, or will we be friends together, or will we reconcile. So all these types of questions are there in your mind and you want to know the answers. So that is the reason I am doing this reading today. So we will ask the spirits and angels, so what will be the future of this connection which you have with your specific someone. Okay, as usual we have three piles here. Pile number 1, this lapis lazuli. Pile 2, peach moonstone. Pile 3, this beautiful tiger's eye. So whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. So if you have more than one person in your life which you are confused, so you can choose two piles also. If you but make sure that one pile for one person only. Okay, so let us see what spirits and angels give the messages to me. Then whatever extra messages which I get from the cards or the spread, definitely I will deliver the same messages to you also. Okay, so without wasting much time, let us start the reading. But before starting, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers who are constantly supporting me and motivating me to do the readings more and more. But I request you all to comment also, so that I will know whether you like the readings, whether my readings are resonating or not, or if you want any different kinds of readings, you can comment in the comment section. Otherwise you can send me an email also, it's okay. Because some people are comfortable in sending emails, so that I can understand. So you can do anything, whichever way you can communicate to me, you can do that. Okay, so let us start the reading with pile 1. Whoever chose this lapis lazuli, so this reading is for you. Let us see what is the future of this connection. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, I want only one card from this deck, and we got the card Judgment. Let me pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Nine of Swords, Two of Cups, the Moon, and I will pull some more cards. Seven of Wands, King of Swords, and we have the bottom of the deck, we have this Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so let me arrange the cards first. Okay, so let me pull some more cards so that we can get more messages from the spirit guides. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What will be the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection, spirits and angels? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Death, Two of Wands, Apprentice, Three of Cups, the Hierophant, and bottom of the deck we have Pope. Let me arrange. Hope you all can see the cards. Okay, let me start the reading. So what the signs I can see here, but I'll also tell that don't go by signs, but whatever I can see, I will definitely tell. I can strongly see the signs as Scorpio, Taurus, then Pisces, Also, I can see all the fixed signs: Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, and Aquarius. I can see Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, very few of you. Okay, mostly I can see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces also is there, but very few of you. Okay, so these are all the signs I can see here. Your person might be a very famous person, I can say, and they are well respected in the society, and they are in a very good position. For some of you, this person might be a divorcee also, and they are very ambitious, I can say, hardworking, ambitious. They want to grow higher and higher, and they want to be on the top of the rank, any position they are working in, any company, any organization. So they want to be the topmost, that much ambitious person, hardworking, and they want money actually. For some of you, I can say this person is money minded also. So that is the reason they are not giving importance to this love, like emotions. Even though they have the emotions, they are very vulnerable, emotional person, but still they are suppressing their emotions. Okay, they are not letting anybody know their emotions. Okay, so right now what I can see here, this person is definitely working hard on their money and finances. And this person, for some of you, this person might have some physical ailments also. Maybe they are not well, they have some health issues also right now going on, maybe because of the overwork. Sometimes they forget to eat also, sometimes they forget to take care of themselves also, because of the work pressure or the responsibilities in the work life. Okay, because they are very busy right now, they are not spending time with you. But for some of you, I feel that this connection is already ended. So maybe you broke up with this person, or maybe you are separated, or maybe you are divorced for some of you, because I can see a divorce also here in this spread. So you are feeling that this connection is already ended, there is no chance of any progress. Okay, so that is what you are thinking. Even they are also thinking the same, and they are crying at night, they are not able to sleep, they are very in a painful situation. Maybe they are feeling insulted also. Maybe the situations or the whatever happened between you, maybe they are feeling that rejected by you, or insulted by you. So that is the reason they are not able to say to anyone. They are hiding their face in their hands and crying at night. They are not able to sleep. They are not able to forget you, I can say, because they are doing this at night only, because all day they will be busy with their own work. But when they are alone, they are alone at home, nobody is there. So definitely they are remembering you, they are crying for you, because they feel that you both are soulmates. Because two of cups is there, maybe for some of you, you both are partners also, business partners or life partners, or you both work in the same project, or you both are colleagues in a company. Okay, something like that. So you are some kind of partners. So there are a lot of issues in this connection, I can see. There are a lot of hidden things in this connection. And also I can see this is a some long distance relationship. They are not near to you, maybe different city, state or country, but it might be emotional distance also. It can be emotional distance also. So definitely there are some feelings which you have not shared with them, and or they have not shared with you, because you both are like always in a fighting mode, and you have that ego struggles in this connection. And they are also very very defensive, like they don't want to accept their mistake, or they don't want to be vulnerable in front of you. They didn't express their feelings freely. And even you did the same thing, you also did not express your feelings to that person. So I feel that this is kind of an unconfessed love for some of you. And for some of you, you are wife and husband, and you got separated or divorced. Okay, this is what the messages I'm getting here. But definitely this person is giving priority to their head over the heart. So they are not listening to their heart, definitely they are thinking with their mind. So will it be useful for me? Will it be beneficial for me if after lot of fights, lot of disagreements, lot of like mismatches in this connection, will it be okay if I enter into this person's life again? Is it okay if I contact this person again? Because I feel that some of you, the viewer, you have some negative impression about that other person. So that is the reason you got separated. You both are not talking to each other. So you have some specific impression on this person, that this person is not good for you, or some kind of harsh words you might have exchanged with each other. For some of you, I can say. Okay, so if you are already talking but this is not progressing, because you both of you are not opening up to each other, you are not saying your feelings and they are not saying their feeling, so you both are feeling like it is depth. Okay, so this relation is dead already and you don't have any hope that this relationship will be fruitful anymore. Okay, so and also you have the anger issues. You or your person, you both have the anger issues, and this power struggle also is there, because the other person is also very strong even in the society, their job, they are very rich, I can say. This person is very rich, and it didn't come like inheritance. This person worked hard for that, and they have acquired the position and money in their life. So that is the reason they are very very prideful and they are very egotistical, because they have that kind of self confidence. Okay, but definitely they are giving you importance and they are feeling that you are both are made for each other. They already imagined you as their wife or a husband, or already you might be wife or a husband for some of you. So definitely this person is having lot of good feelings towards you, but definitely they are not expressing it to you. And also they have started something new. They are learning some new skill, or they are taking training for something, or they are getting ready for the like love life or marriage, because until now they were not giving importance to this connection, or for that matter for any connection, because anywhere I can see they are single, I can see this person is not with anybody else, like they don't have any friend or a partner or a I mean girlfriend, boyfriend, nothing. At the moment they are single, they are not, even if they are with anybody for some of you, but they are not involved mentally, like emotionally, they don't have any kind of emotions for the other person if they are involved, but that also I cannot see anywhere. Okay, so definitely they are trying to distract themselves with friends, parties and all, but at the same time at the night when they come home, definitely they are having this regret, guilt, then anger, then also sadness, they are crying. Okay, so but this person is a very stable person and they have very stable feelings towards you. And Hierophant is also kind of a marriage card. They want to give you, offer you marriage, but they want to take things slowly, because Pentacles means it is a very slow moving energy. So definitely they want to take this to the next level, but slowly in their own pace, their own time. Maybe they have some goal in life that they want to achieve first, then only they will come to you. Because why I can say that they are coming towards you, because there is a Judgment card, which is a reconciliation card. Okay, so if at all you are if at all you are not with the person right now, if you are separated with this person, definitely you will reconcile with this person with the Judgment card. So it will lead to the marriage eventually, but it might take long time. Okay, you have to be patient and wait for the person, wait for the right time to have this connection grow. Okay, but the same time you both should be a little bit open towards each other, then only this connection will work. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number one. But let us see what are the messages from your person, what they want to say, what they want to say to you. What are the messages from your person? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What are the messages from your person? What are the messages from your person? What they want to say? Okay. Okay, give me a second chance please, I beg you. Okay, so reconciliation is there, and also give me a second chance. Choose me, not the other person. I will never be happy if I can't be with you. Okay, so all the cards are really matching to each other. I made the wrong decision. I can't stop kicking myself. Please forgive me. Okay, definitely this person is regretting for the decision whatever they have taken and not giving you importance. I hide my feelings for you, but I secretly love you so much. Okay, definitely, as I told you, you both are not saying to each other. I feel helpless. I want to be with you, but I can't. Okay, as I told you already, they are not with you right now. It will take long time. Reconcile with me forever. Okay, judgment and reconcile with me forever. Okay, so all the messages are matching as per the spread. Okay, so that's all I have for you, pile number one. If you like this reading, if it is resonating with you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this peach moonstone, this reading is for you. Let us see what is the future of this connection. Let us ask spirits and angels, what is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity, spirits and angels. What is the future of this connection? The Hanged Man. What is the future of this connection for my pile 2? Whoever chose this peach moonstone, what is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Nine of Swords, King of Swords, Seven of Wands, Eight of Cups, Eight of Pentacles. Eight is prominent for you. Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so this is similar to pile 1. If you want, you can check pile 1 also. Let me pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? The Lovers, Nine of Wands, the Empress, Two of Moons, Two of Cups, Prophetess. At the bottom of the deck we have Two of Swords. Okay, so let me tell you the signs what I can see here. The signs I can see are, I can see all the fixed signs like Aquarius, Leo, Scorpio and Taurus. Apart from that, I can see almost all the signs are there. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Okay, all the signs are there here. Please take it however it resonates with you. Okay, so first I can see you, whoever chose this pile 2, they are asking about their wife or a husband. Okay, because I can see a pregnant lady here and a married lady with I can see children also here. So maybe some of you are already married to this person and they, you want to know what is the future of this connection. Maybe you both are separated, or some of you maybe divorced also. This is similar to pile 1. Okay, if you want you can check that also. So definitely I can see that you have you had a very long relationship with this person, long term, maybe few years this connection went, and it was all well, like you were okay, but some conflict happened between you. First of all, let me tell you about this person. This person is right now I can see this person is working hard on their finances. Maybe they lost the money. Okay, like something happened in their life and they lost all the money, or their career collapsed for some of you. So they might have seen many people in their life who are not that good, okay, maybe in the business or career or job or relationships. So they are very much tired of this worldly drama, okay. So they have faced a lot of issues, a lot of insults, a lot of problems in their life, and now they are in a situation that they don't care anything and anybody. So now they want to be alone, and they want to focus on themselves. They want to know what they want exactly. So they are in they don't have time to think about love or marriage or anything like that, because they are stuck in that kind of an energy where they have to earn money, they have to clear all their loans or debts. For some of you, I can see this person is not in their own state of mind, okay. So something happened, that is the reason they are crying at night. They are not able to focus on anything. Maybe for some of you, this person is not in a good health also, because nine of swords is there. So definitely this person is not feeling well. Maybe they are into depression or anxiety, mental illness, something like that. But they are still there, somehow they are standing strong. They are being very powerful. They have lot of conflicts with you, a lot of disagreements with you, lot of fights with you, but still they are saying that I am not wrong. The message I am hearing again and again in my ears, that they are saying that I am not wrong. So you have misunderstood me, but I am not wrong. So you have spoiled my life. Yeah, yeah, that's what. So they are saying, blaming you actually. So they are saying that you only started the fight, and you only did something which spoiled their life and their career. That is what, I don't know, this is very specific message I'm hearing for someone. So they are saying like that. So that is the reason they walked away from this connection, because eight of cups is there. So that means they walked away from this connection. And for some of you, this person can be a divorced person, single person, or you both got married and you both got divorced. I can see, because I can see empress also, pregnant lady also. So definitely, or for some of you, this person is already married, and their wife, they are carrying, or they have children, they are expecting a child, okay. So that is the reason they are not able to come towards you. But they are very hard working. They are very straightforward, and I can see very short tempered also. Very, they have a lot of anger issues here, I can see. So but they love you so much, because the lovers card is there. They feel that you both are soulmates or twin flame connection. So they feel the strong pull towards you. They feel that you both are chained to each other, and this is divinely guided connection. But still they are not able to do anything, okay. So definitely they are crying at night. They definitely have this regret of losing you, but still they walked away from this connection, okay. So this connection, for some of you, this is already ended, but still you want to know, is there, what is the future of this, is there any future for this connection, you wanted to know, okay. So they are confused between two things or two people, because two of swords card is there. So they are blindfolded. Maybe you blocked them, or they blocked you. You have some blocking issues also, or emotionally blocked with each other. You both are not talking to each other. You don't know what the other person is doing, and but they know what you are doing, because I can see some spying energy also. They are definitely spying on you. They know that what you are doing. Maybe you don't know what they are doing, okay. But they are confused between two people. I can see two female figures here. Two females are there, so they don't know what to do. One can be their wife, and other can be the lover, okay. That is the reason they are confused. They don't know what to do. But definitely they are very, now they are earning a lot of money. They are finding the stability in their life, okay. But definitely they worked hard on themselves. They stood strong. They are very defensive, and now slowly they are gaining the confidence back and earning a lot of money. So they are working towards that. So their concentration right now is completely on the money or materialistic world, okay. So but definitely you both are partners, or because two of cups is there, definitely you love each other. You both are soulmates. You have lot of situations, lot of memories between each other. So as I told already, so you both might be wife and husband, or you are working in a same project, or you are partners in any business, or you both are colleagues. Okay. So you have lot of connection, so much, so many episodes happened between you, so many exchanges happened between you. Okay, almost you spend so many years with this person, I feel. Okay, but definitely they also have these feelings towards you, but they can't do anything. They are helpless now, they are stuck with something, and that is the reason they walked away from this connection. Maybe they have the another person in their life. In the first spread I could not see any person in their life, but the second spread I can see, second pile I can see there is someone in their life. That is the reason they are not able to come towards you. So definitely I can see two queens here. So definitely they have the somebody else in their life, and somebody, as I told, single mom already. I told single parent. Okay, so the finally what I can see is this connection is not going anywhere, because there is this hanged man position. So there is no solution for this connection, because that person is already involved with some other person, and they are stuck right now. They cannot come out of this relationship, and they have to divorce the person, or the divorce is happening already. But I can see some of you are already a divorced person. So this connection is kind of a hanged man position. It is not moving anywhere, even though you have feelings towards them, even though they have feelings towards you. But you both are not able to meet each other, not able to reconcile. There is no good luck in future, I can see. Like it might be different after some time, but near future I cannot see any reconciliation or talking with this person. This person is stubborn, or you are very stubborn, but the connection is very like stagnant, stuck. Okay, so let me pull some of their messages, so that we you can be clear with what they are thinking about you. Okay, so the first message: yes, my love for you is real, never doubt it. Okay, definitely we have lovers card and two of cups card. So definitely they love you, there is no doubt. They want to say so many things to you. See, all cards are flying away. This time I will do things right, please trust me again. Okay, so they are asking you to trust again, but they are not taking any action right now. It's not your fault, there is nothing wrong, I think you hate me. Okay, so that is the reason they are not able to come towards you, because they feel that you hate them. Okay, so it is not your fault. They are saying that it is not your fault, there is nothing wrong, but simply you are hating me. Okay, let me pull some more cards. We are soulmates. Okay, definitely we got the two of cups card, soulmate card. I will free myself soon to be with you. This distance is killing me. Definitely this person is not able to bear this distance. So whatever is stopping them, they are trying to free themselves soon. Okay, so it is a promising message from your person. Okay, they are trying to come towards you. You are my true love and soulmate. Okay, definitely they are thinking that you are their soulmate, and they are trying also to come back towards you. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye. Whoever chose this tiger's eye, this reading is for you. So what is the future of this connection? We will ask spirits and angels. Let us see what answer we'll get. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? What is the future of this connection? Death. Let me pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Two cards. Please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Okay, we got all the cards. Bottom of the deck we have the Tower. The Moon. Six of Cups. the Hierophant, King of Swords, Justice. Okay, so let me pull some more cards. Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. What is the future of this connection? Okay. What is the future of this connection? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Lady, the Hermit, Two of Pentacles, the Sun, Prince of Wands, the Hanged Man. Okay, so first let me tell you the signs here. Let me arrange the cards. Okay, hope you can see the cards. Okay, so the signs I can see here are Scorpio, Taurus, Libra, then Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius. Virgo is very strong here. And I can see also the Aries, Leo, Sag here, Sagittarius, Pisces is there, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Very few of you will have the Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so these are all the signs I can see in the spread. So coming to your person is very strong person. They are in a very high cadre. They are in a very high rank position in their job. They are well respected in the society. People treat them like a priest, or everybody will go to their advice. Okay, they will take their advice. People will ask them for advice. Maybe they are police, army, or judge, lawyer. Okay, or they're like a politician also. For some of you, this person might be a politician also, or a manager, CEO, director. Very high ranked position this person is. Okay, so this person is your childhood friend, or they are your classmate, college mate, or you know this person from your childhood, maybe the neighbor also. Something happened between you, the tower moment came, everything collapsed abruptly. There is no time to think also. And for some of you, their mother or your mother is the reason for that. Okay, there is mother or a mother figure who interfered in this connection, and you both got separated. I can see some religion factor also, and maybe there is a caste problem in this connection. That is the reason you both are separated, or this person is already married and they are getting divorced now, or they are into a legal battles now. Maybe for some of you, this person did something wrong, and they went to like a police case, or something happened like that. Because of that, you both got separated. I can see many scenarios, and I'm getting many messages. Okay, so right now this person is concentrating on themselves, and they are trying to reflect what they want exactly. They are taking a break from all these worldly matters, because I feel that this person is very tired of all these things, and they are facing a lot of trouble in their life. Okay, but still they see you as their as a sun. Okay, you know the sun card, that means they are looking at you like their happiness. You give them whatever they want, the happiness, the fulfillment in their life, the satisfaction. So they like to be with you, and you have lot of childhood memories also. They want to gift you something. They want to come towards you. They want to give you some offer. Okay, they want to offer you something, because they see you as their happiness and innocent love, pure love. You are the right companion for them. That is what they are feeling. There might be age difference also for you and this person, for some of you. And definitely this person is looking at the future, like you are their future partner, or mother or father of the children. So definitely they have lot of feelings towards you, and they also see that you are very strong, very attractive, beautiful. and if you want, you can get anybody. Okay, that is their feeling. So they are feeling that why this person will choose me. They have lot of self-worth issues, I can feel, and this person is into a hanged man position right now. They are not able to move anywhere, and they are juggling with two things or two people in their life right now. So maybe they are juggling with the money and this legal battle also, or maybe they are juggling with you and the other person also. So they are juggling with two people. Their life is not balanced. They feel that their life is imbalanced right now, but still they have the in their mind they are feeling that you have all the qualities, and they have this kind of a lot of passion towards you. They are highly attracted towards you, but they don't have the courage to come towards you. I don't know what is the reason. So I can see the two scenarios, that the legal battle, or they are going through a divorce, or their mother is stopping them. Okay, but they are highly attracted towards you. They think about you all the time. They feel very young when they look at your pictures, or when they think about you, because you both have spent some time in the childhood. So they are feeling so young. They feel that they can't hide anything from you, because you know them so very well, that they can't hide anything from you. That's what they feel. They, if possible, they want to run and come towards you. They are very much ambitious, that they want to come towards you very fast. I mean, they have determined, like they want to come towards you. They want to travel and come towards you. I can see the chariot vibes also here. So they have lot of good feelings towards you, but somehow they are not able to take any decision. So they want to have the death and rebirth. Okay, for some of you this connection is already dead, so you are asking what will be the future of this connection. But definitely there will be a rebirth, I can see, in this connection, because the sun card is there. Sun card dominates all the other cards. So definitely this person is determined to come towards you. They want to travel and come towards you, and they want to make an offer towards to you, and the rebirth will definitely happen. Okay, so let me pull some messages from your person, so that you will get some clarity. Okay, so what are the messages from their person? Please give us some guidance and clarity. Okay, I love you so much. It scares me. I don't know what to do. So definitely, because of this Prince card, they are very much attracted towards you. They love you so much. It's not your fault. There is nothing wrong. I think you hate me. Okay, that is the reason they are into a hanged man position, because they think that you hate them. Okay, for some of you, you might have the feeling that this person is a flirt or a cheat. So that's the reason they are feeling that you hate them. I am trying to heal. The karmic hates you. I am trying to break up with karmic. Okay, definitely this person is going through divorce, I can see. So they are trying to break up with the karmic, and the karmic already knows them. That's what I said. There are two people in this person's life. They are juggling with two people. So they are also saying that they are trying to heal. Let us pull more cards. Everywhere I go, I picture you being there with me. Okay, definitely they can't forget you. They are thinking about you all the time. I have someone else on my mind. Please forgive me. Okay, as I told, they have somebody else. Okay, that is the reason they are not able to move towards you, but they are definitely determined to come towards you. There will be a rebirth, but maybe it might take some time. I'm sorry for ghosting you. I feel like such a coward for not being honest with you. Okay, definitely this person might have ghosted you earlier. So that is the reason for the breakup. So now they at the time when they left you, they had someone in their mind, and they left you. That's why they are saying, please forgive me for that. But definitely they are having the feelings towards you, and rebirth will happen in this connection after they are done with the karmic, or their another person. Definitely they'll come back to you. Okay, that's all I have for you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.